Hi, welcome back to another class, a class about the common words, the common vocabulary that's going to be that you're going to be hearing in this coming week, and perhaps have been hearing. I remind you to adjust the speed of the video. I'm going to be speaking relatively fast. I want to make it as interesting and engaging and entertaining as possible. So feel free to lower the speed of it or even make it faster as you see fit. So let's begin. And we have, again, the common vocabulary, April 11th to 16th, 2021. The words you'll most probably see and hear. By the way, again, I remind you, turn on the news if you watch it. If you don't, then I guess you're doing the right thing. But if you already watch the news, if you already go on news websites, then open a couple in Hebrew and you're going to see these words and going to help you practice a lot. First thing first, Memorial Day starting tomorrow. Tomorrow, right? Yeah, Tuesday evening, Memorial Day, Bo Namshich. We have Yom HaZikaron, which is again Memorial Day, of course. Yom HaZikaron hu Yom Atzuv. Memorial Day is a sad day. Again, I'll say it in Hebrew and give you a couple of seconds to repeat. Yom HaZikaron hu Yom Atzuv. Next, we have Tzfira, which is the siren. Tiyeh tzfira ba'erev u'baboker. There will be a siren, or there's going to be a siren in the evening and in the morning. Tiyeh tzfira ba'erev u'baboker. Chalalim, or noflim, are diseased soldiers or killed soldiers. Yom lezecher hanoflim. It's a day in the memory of the fallen. Yom lezecher hanoflim. Next, we have Ma'archot Israel, which is Israel's wars or battles. Hachayalim shene'ergu b'Ma'archot Israel, the soldiers who were killed in Israel's wars. Again, Hachayalim shene'ergu b'Ma'archot Israel. Then we have Peulot Eiva, which are acts of hatred or terrorism. Ezrachim nifgeu b'peulot Eiva. Civilians were injured in acts of terrorism. Again, in Hebrew, Ezrachim nifgeu b'peulot Eiva. Then we have Misrad HaBitachon, Ministry of Defense, as in Misrad HaBitachon b'Tel Aviv, the Ministry of Defense in Tel Aviv. משרד הביטחון בתל אביב. Now we have משפחה שכולה, bereaved family, ראיון עם משפחה שכולה, an interview with a bereaved family, ראיון עם משפחה שכולה. טקס ממלכתי. הטקס הממלכתי יתקיים בהר הרצל. The state, by the way, I just noticed it didn't say what טקס ממלכתי is, but I guess you're already seeing it here. So טקס ממלכתי is a state ceremony. The translation to the example sentence they gave is the state ceremony will take place in Mount Herzl. So הטקס הממלכתי יתקיים בהר הרצל. Next, בית עלמין, cemetery. All right. משפחה שכולה הגיעה לבית העלמין, a bereaved family arrived at the cemetery. Again, משפחה שכולה הגיעה לבית העלמין. Then we have Independence Day. That's also kind of like the fast and sharp switch between Memorial Day and Independence Day, as you may know. One ends and the next one begins like in a matter of minutes. So it's kind of a sharp switch for many people, but that's how it is. So let's continue. Independence Day, Yom HaAtzmaut. Again, Independence Day, Yom HaAtzmaut hu miyad achrei Yom HaZikaron, as we said. Independence Day is right after Memorial Day. Yom HaAtzmaut hu miyad achrei Yom HaZikaron. Next, we have Zikukim. something that's very typical of the Independence Day, fireworks. Hazikukim me'od yafim. The fireworks are very pretty. Hazikukim me'od yafim. Next we have chagigot, as in celebrations. Chagigot b'chol rachavei haaretz. Celebrations all over or all across the country. Chagigot b'chol rachavei haaretz. Then we have mofa, which is a show. Yesh mofa bemerkaz ha'ir. There is a show in the city center. Again, yesh mofa bemerkaz ha'ir. Then we have matas, which is a flyover. But matas yesh kol minei metosim. In the flyover, there are all sorts or all kind of planes. But matas yesh kol minei metosim. Alaesh, again, something very typical of Independence Day. It's a barbecue. Matei atem osim alaesh. When are you having the barbecue? Matei atem osim alaesh. And then we have a bit of news, current events, right? We have the Mitkan Ha'ashara, the enrichment facility. Again, if you're going to open the news, we already opened them yesterday or this morning, you've seen a lot of Mitkan Ha'ashara, enrichment facility, Mitkan Ha'ashara be'Iran, an enrichment facility in Iran, right? That's the actual context. One more time, we'll say Mitkan Ha'ashara be'Iran. Then we have Pitzutz, which is an explosion. Haya Pitzutz Gadol, there was a big explosion. Haya Pitzutz Gadol. Then we have Energia Atomit, nuclear energy. המקום קשור לאנרגיה אטומית. The place is linked to atomic energy or to nuclear energy. Again, המקום קשור לאנרגיה אטומית. Then we have תקלה, malfunction. הפיצוץ גרם לתקלה. The explosion caused a malfunction. הפיצוץ גרם לתקלה. And we have אחריות, which is responsibility. אף מדינה לא לקחה אחריות. No country has taken responsibility. So that was it. That was it. Again, I will remind you to watch this class again. Again, there's no way you could you managed to absorb 20 words in one sitting. So watch it again. Engage while you're at it, meaning repeat the words in the sentences after me. And then also write, put them, incorporate them into sentences. The sentence can be as short as 2 to 3 words, all right? And can be even fully in English besides of the word that you're trying to practice. Okay, also, if you want, write down in the comments more words that you think were relevant to this week's class. See you in the next class, hopefully this week, about other topics that we're going to cover. הרבה הצלחה, יום נעים. להתראות.